I don't want to die mortal sin. But when I was younger, I did not right, but we were told not to confess venial sin but mortal sin. Isa lang kabagay na hirapan ako isip ng go to confession because I was problematic identifying that I have to bear mortal sin. Is this mortal sin? This is mortal sin. So I did not to confess at that time. But lately, I heard an advice that even if you like me because I'm a minister, we need to at least confess even twice or once a year because of our position in the church. So I kept on doing that all the time, I'm confessing. But then, it's easier for me to go to confession because you have to tell your sin, and as I noticed, the first do not bother to ask what do you call this? The magnitude of the cheating person, whether it is venial or mortal. So, may I ask, how do we define the mortal and the venial?
Okay. So, may tatlong elemento kung paano malalaman na ang ating kasalanan ay mortal. Una, alam mo nasadayan. Pangalawa, ginawa mo, sabihan mo ginawa, at malaking epekto sa nadarong kasalanan. Yung tatlong elemento, mortal sin. Pero tandaan natin, ayon sa aral ng Simbahan Katoliko, ang hindi pagsamba sa linggo na walang dahilan at sa mga holiday of obligation is immortal sin. Ano ba holiday of obligation natin dito sa ating bansa? Tatlo na lang. No? Na yun, December 8, Immaculate Conception, December 25, and January 1. Yun, obligado talaga tayo na magsimba. Kung, ibig sabihin, may sakit ka, di ka nakapagsimba, exempted ka. No? Exempted ka. Oh. So, ibig sabihin, yung mama, nagpasuso ng kaniyang anak